Yo, what's going on everyone? It's Moderator Kevin here, and today we have a very exciting video. Today we're going to be 3D modeling our very own plate. And here's how you do it. So first you want to delete your default cube over here, add in a curve, Bezier, and hit 1 on your numpad to bring yourself in this view mode. Go to edit mode, select everything, delete all vertices. Now you have total freedom of what you want to make that Bezier or curve look like. There we go. I have something like a plate curve, and then all you have to do is go back to object mode, convert it to a mesh, and so now the first thing you want to do is clean up your curve. You can achieve this by highlighting your endpoint over there, pressing N, and resetting everything to 0. And now that your thing is on the origin, things will actually start to look right whenever you do this spin technique right here. And once you have this, just highlight everything, click spin over here, spin. You can go here, 360, and steps. I prefer to do 30 again, but you can do whatever you like. So let's try that again. 360, and we can make it like 35 too. That also works. Now once you've done that, you can go back to object mode, shade smooth, and I like to do this right here, but this is what's really going to make your thing look like a plate. Go over to your modifier and do this right here. So you want to do solidify, and that really gives some dimension to your plate. There we go, just like that. You don't need it to be too thick, although I could settle with this too. And now after that, you can apply that and go to the bevel right here. Let's do 3 segments and apply that. And finally, subdivision surface. We can do it at 2 if we want, because it seems to already be quite smooth. So there you have it. That is the 3D model of a plate, but it doesn't look quite like a plate yet. So how can we achieve this glossy look? Well, of course we can head into our materials over here. This base color is fine. We don't really need to change it, but we can turn down the roughness so that now you can see this shine right here. If we turn it down all the way and go in this mode, you can see it's like completely reflective. I think this looks really nice now. And all you have to do here is maybe create some table or something like that, which I will be doing right now. And there we have it. We have a table with a plate on top of it. And if you want to make your lighting a bit better, here we can just delete our light over here. And if you go to edit, preferences, add-ons, search up try and enable try lighting over here, then clicking on this, so the object that you want to illuminate with try lighting, and then add light and 3-point lights, you can achieve a very nice and balanced lighting system for your table and your plate right here. And so as you can see, if we zoom in on this right here, if we shift our Y up, that looks like a proper plate that can be eaten with. So there we go. That's how you create a plate in Blender. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of video. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.